Where is it? Number 9. Okay, from the twilight zone to the outer limits. This is the technique for opening our room door.
Simple.
Good job. Good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning on Saturday, and I am walking to the Extra Mart here from our motel actually, because they don't have any coffee or anything there. So I'm going over here to the Extra Mart and getting myself and Tom some coffee. So today is going to be a day off for us. It's said very nice to have a day off after the day we had yesterday. Again, great day, but it was just a long day, so we were pretty tired at the end of the day. You know, riding these little bikes for us old guys, it does get to you after a while. So anyway, we're gonna just do some laundry if we can find a place to do that, or do it in the sink, and just kind of relax for the day and wait for the other guys who are going to be riding in. They should be here around 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. And here comes a truck. Luckily, the Extra Mart just down the street has great coffee, and the Martindale Chief Diner is only a couple miles away. We ended up becoming regulars, eating there 3 times over the next 2 days. We took this day off because over the course of the next 9 days, there would be no breaks. Normally, this is not something I like to do, but the other guys had work-related restrictions that they had to deal with. Tom and I took the time to do some bike maintenance and make sure we had clean clothes for the upcoming adventure. After completing the first 2 sections of the Northeast BDR, we scheduled a day off while we waited to be joined by 3 additional riders: Peter, Stephen, and Eric.
Howdy.
For dinner, we returned to the Martindale Chief Diner and watched Eric devour a chocolate soda as his appetizer. I have no idea where he puts it all. Being from Texas, I just had to try the country fried steak, and it was pretty darn good. In fact, all of the food at the Martindale Diner was very good.